Okay, you know what's in here? Do you know what's in here? Nah, you don't know what's in here. I know what's in here. Dun 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 dun. It's my custom steering wheel.
Oh, it's half. Look at you.
Yeah, look at me. I can't wait to install this bad boy. You know, the fake yoke steering wheel. Got it custom. Gotta go install it. Yeah. See how that gonna look. Alright, stay tuned.
First time
In it.
in a Tesla.
There you go. Okay, guys. Just like I said in the beginning, got a little quick yoke steering wheel. Custom made. So, still got the heated. Add the fiber like before. As you know, I have it in the Model S in pearl, the white car. I got it in, in the pearl. Look nice. So I also have it in Snowville. Also look nice. But in this time, I contact them, my suppliers, Alibaba. And I send them design pictures, show them how I want it to make. I was trying to get it like the Tesla with a wider bottom part. But because the city don't have the original, they can't really shape it like that as yet. So maybe I might change it again when, the yoke steering do come out. So we're gonna put this bad boy in and see how it come out over here. So as you can see, it's still similar, same thing. It just cut different right here to the edge. So as usual, take the 2 screws out, take out the airbag, take out the nut. I got that video, I'm gonna put it off here when I change my steering wheel. All right, over here maybe I'm gonna put it, and then we'll come back to see how it look, and then we'll give it a test drive and see how it handle. Yeah, so let's get into it. Okay guys, so let me pull over first of all. This do look cool and all. You get a better view when you drive in for the display. For especially, the quote-unquote full self-drive. But this right here is really dangerous. It's dangerous. I'm gonna explain why I say it's dangerous. I've been driving more than 20 plus years right now, and you're accustomed when you turn in to feel the steering when you're grabbing back. It's really difficult. When I say I'm gonna put it on autopilot now, matter of fact. So when you turn in corners, it's cool like this, yeah. You drive in looking all nice and so on. But when you turn in corners is the problem. I can see a lot of people gonna be crashing and hitting cars. It looked nice, and that's about it. It just looked nice. Well, this is not the Tesla, obviously. This is not the Tesla one. But it's similar how the Tesla one would be. It would be like a half steering wheel and so on. But it's going to be rough. It's going to be rough. It's going to be rough. Like I said, I can see a lot of people crashing their car when they get it for the first time driving this car. You'll have to use like autopilot most of the time. See, it looked real nice. See the view, the whole screen. Yeah, like I said, the view, nice, beautiful. Yes, it is. Let me take over here because the car won't go around. But I'm gonna put this camera stationary and show you what I'm talking about when I'm turning corners. Going straight, no problem. You hold it here, you hold it here. It's good. It's when you're ready to make that turn. I'm gonna explain why. Like I said, and show you what I'm talking about when you make that turn. Oh, accident. Oh, what's going on here? What is going on there? Oh man, gotta be safe out here. But anyhow, let's get back to the video. And let me pull over again. And this time I'm gonna set up the camera stationary like I said, and then you'll go show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. Let me see. I'm gonna turn over here. Watch when I turn. You turn, but when you go back, you're accustomed grabbing. See? So it's really, I don't know, but okay. It's really hard. It is. It look cool, like I said. It's set up nice. I like how you can see the whole display, because usually the steering will be right here. You know, you gotta look through the steering and so on. This is nice. That's why you should have like a heads-up display for Tesla. But they don't have that. But, like I said, I want to do some more turns and show you what I'm talking about. You drive nice, go straight, and make a right turn now. And show you exactly what I'm talking about. Because it happened to me, I almost hit someone. When you turn, see? You're ready to grab. So basically with this, if you're manually driving, you will always have to have your hands on the wheel, for sure. You know, you usually drive and you lay back. No more lay back, guys, no more lay back. Like I said. Whoa. I just want to do turns right now to show you. See, you gotta kind of hold it every time. You just feel, it feel good. Feel real good. It's nice, but it's gonna take some time getting used to. I might pull back my other steering, a little fancy or circle. This was just something to tempt with. Like I said, the guys who make my first steering, I asked them, actually send them the design to make this for me, to give it a try to see how the yoke gonna be. Because this is just to see the feel of it. I know it's not gonna be quite exactly how Tesla might made it, but it's most likely close to it, to see how the yoke gonna feel when you're driving. But this right here, it's really gonna take some getting used to driving with this yoke. Not too bad. Not too bad, not too bad. But look, why the car is not picking up the red light? Look. What's going on? Snowball, you might gotta go get service. You're not stopping by the red light. But anyhow, like I said, cool. I like it. I really do like it. It's just unsafe, like I said. To me, it feels very unsafe. It's something to get used to, driving this with this missing this whole steering part. It's gonna take a while to get used to, like I said. It is. But other than that, like I said, I contact my supplier on Alibaba. Only pay, once again, $850 for the steering wheel. Just a temp. See how it's going, how the yoke will feel. So I guess when Tesla do decide to let go the resign, let go the refresh Model S and X with the yoke, some people will be ordering the original steering wheel. I'm telling y'all. Perfect example. I'm gonna try to do a U-turn coming up right here, since no cars coming around. Let's see. And you'll see what I'm talking about. I'm doing a U-turn. So you're ready to grab. So when you come back, it's like you gotta use your both hands. It's not gonna make you just. But besides that, what y'all think? Does it look good? Yoke, no yoke? I like it. I do like it. I'll take a drive home and see. Keep drive some more and give it a try out. Let y'all know. Okay guys, so I'm back from the day test drive. Actually I went to work today, but from the test drive, and Lego Diamond and Pearl. But the big question is, am I going to keep the steering wheel? We did put in an order for the new Model S, the refresh. So we're going to trade back in Pearl. Cause Pearl only got like 400 miles on her. We don't drive her at all. Try our best not to. But we're going to trade her in and get it with the yoke steering wheel. But I might have to add the regular steering wheel. Because I know for sure my wife, I'm about to give her a test drive to see how she handled this. Because it's nice. It look nice. You know, you drive and everything like that. But to me, how I feel, my experience with a half a steering wheel, it's really kind of dangerous. It's unsafe. Especially if you're driving, I don't know, like, how to say it. I don't know. I don't have the words for it. Maybe like if you're on the highway or you turn in, see? Once again, because I'm ready to, it's like, now it's like your both hands always going to be down here or on top of here. Your hands, your hands always going to be on the wheel. Because driving with a round steering wheel all my life, and now it's like with a half a steering wheel. Like I said, the only cool thing about it look cool. It look like real futuristic. But far as handling it, I can see a lot of people gonna be crashing. I mean, a lot. So we still got our order in. We order it right after we got this, and we noticed they were saying that how the Model S was going. Oh, let me get my keys. The Model S was under X. They had it in them no more. So obviously, I'm about to take this. I'm about to put back this, because with this, it feels much like you're driving a car. See? Oh, we got a software update. Oh wow. But I'll look at that after. But yeah, this feel much more better when you're driving and handling than with that. Because when you turn in, some people lay back like this and drive and so on. Well, like I'm saying, I think I'm going to put back in this steering wheel. I just wanted to try it out. And it's kind of difficult, but I might leave it in for a little bit longer and see how it handles and so on. Let me know what y'all think. Like I say, it look cool as hell though. I like the look. Let me know what y'all think in the comment, man. Y'all like it, y'all hate it. Because like I said, it look cool, but in my experience, it feels very unsafe. Like I said, I had to send the guys the pictures and so on to try and make it look half, like how Tesla have it mostly half. But like I say, I can see a lot of people getting accidental fender bender. Hopefully, thank God, might not be nothing too crazy. But we just gotta wait for our refresh to get here and see how that one would feel. But I would definitely go and order the steering wheel also. I'm gonna leave this on for a couple of days and keep driving to get used to it. I gotta give it to the wife and see how she'd handle it, because the S is gonna be her car. I gotta make sure she can handle it. I'm not getting rid of this Snowbell, because I actually got this the last good referral in April last year when they was giving the free supercharge, the free internet, and the free internet with the music and all that. So yeah, Snowbell ain't going nowhere. I was gonna put, all the fancy dancy stuff in Snowbell, because it's gonna be the everyday car until God forbid something happen to it. But yeah. But like I said, man, can't wait for the refresh. It's just my custom yoke steering wheel. Hope y'all like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the bottom what y'all think, man. If you get in the refresh when you get the leave with a yoke steering wheel, or have to order when you drive it, you gonna tell for yourself. All right. So subscribe to the channel. Give me some thumbs up, like, share. So yeah, catch y'all in the next one. Peace.